Hi, Mister. After watching the video, how high can be fly? So I want to share that I learned when I see the video. So the most interesting fact is was the bar hit ghost can fly over the Himalayas, reaching height of more than 8,000 meters, which is higher than Mount Everest. So the three thing I didn't know before I see the video is first, I didn't know that most birds usually fly at lower altitude, like between one no so between 150 and 600 meters because it's easier for them to find food and conserve energy. The second, I didn't know that some birds have beat or record flying extremely high, like a rupel. I suppose this is a pronunciation. Rupert Vulture that collided with an airplane at 11,000 meters. And the last one is that the birds have a special adaptation like longer lungs and more efficient blood circulation that allow them the breathing in a place where the air has very little oxygen. So, in conclusion, birds can fly at many different heights, but some species are especially adapted to reach at certain altitudes.